Have you ever dreamed of creating your own animated cartoons but thought it was too complicated or expensive? You think, I wish I could do that. Well, what if I told you that you can? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the skills to make your content pop and captivate your viewers. Go to Canva. Select Video Format. Search for Character. Click on this 3-dot and search for Animated. You will see all the animated character. We will use pop-up animation. For that, let's select other images. I will search for images like phone, computer, cars, and use it in my design. You can use as per your convenience. After that, we will right-click and select Show Timing. Now reduce the timing so that it will pop up one by one. Do this for every image except the main character. Let's play and see how it looks. To make it look more attractive, let's make it pop. For that, go to Animate. Scroll down and select Animated Mode to pop. Do this for all the images. Nice, let's move to another part of our story. Click on this blank document. Filter Animated Only. Now search for your character. As we have filtered animated, we will only see animated characters. Canva has whole library of animated characters. Let's go create our third page. For this animation, we will create a circular motion animation. For that, let's first put a globe and search for landmarks or monuments. Here you will find all type of buildings, but we will use only selected ones. Adjust the position and search another building. Let's add some more. After adding all the elements, right-click and select Layers. Show Layers. And bring the globe to the top. Select all items. Group them. And it should look something like this. Drag it to the bottom so that only one building can be seen. Click Animate. Scroll down and select Rotate. Nice. Now let's use plane so that it look like it is flying over. To look like it is moving, we will go to Animate and select Animate option Drift. Put some cloud and animated clouds as well. Make some final adjustment by selecting background. I want to help you take your animation to next step by adding voiceover. I use UberDuck for my voiceover. You can use 11 Labs or any other. Simple write or paste your voiceovers. Generate speech, then download. Put all the downloaded files back to Canva and adjust according to the video. Adjust the voiceover and delete the unnecessary part. To delete, first split by pressing S on the keyboard. Then delete. Finish your voiceovers. And it should look something like this.
Work smart, not hard. Working on my project. I want to make so much money that I don't have to think twice before buying my dream. And don't have to think twice before traveling the world.